Hey everyone, just wanted to drop a really short quick review on a micro USB to USB Type-C cable. If you've been following my channel, you know that I picked up a brand new MacBook Pro in the past few months, and as a result I had to switch over from USB Type-A ports to USB Type-C ports, so this was something that I bought as an accessory to help with that transition. Most of my accessories were USB Type-A, for example my backup drive here, so I needed to make sure that I had one that could be compatible with USB Type-C. I did have an adapter, as you can see here. While it did do its job, I was always afraid that the connection point between the adapter and the original cable would separate and thereby creating data loss. So I figured it was worth the small investment to have a cable that would directly plug in from my external drive directly to my computer. Plus, I got this on Prime Day, so I got it at a little bit of a discount. So if you guys are interested, as usual, I'll have the link in the description. What I like about this particular cable compared to other options out there is the fact that the plug is very nicely reinforced. There's also good flexibility, so I'm not worried about the cable housing cracking or splintering. The metal plugs are also gold plated to help minimize corrosion, and the tolerances on these are good. I have no problem inserting it into my external drive and then also into my computer and also removing them. So build quality is solid. What about the actual data transfer? So here is Blackmagic speed test fired up on both when I am connected using this CableCreation 1-foot cable versus my previous setup of using the full USB-A cable and then using an adapter to get it to USB-C. And you can see that both the read and write speeds are very similar, which tells me that there is very little extra resistance or less resistance compared to my previous setup. Full disclosure, I am using the WD Black drive that I also did a review on. It's been used for several years, so that's why the disk and read and write speeds are relatively slow. But that has nothing really to do with the actual cable that I'm reviewing. So after using this cable for 3 months, I have yet to see any downsides with it. So if you are in the market for a micro USB to USB-C cable, then this is a great option for you.